Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. So today is day 1 of our 7-day content challenge. We are decorating different spaces in our homes. We have 4 ladies, 4 beautiful amazing ladies. We have GLADYS, we have MMIRIM, we have Cindy, and we have myself. I'm going to leave their links down in the description box, on the screen, anywhere that you can see. Make sure you check these beautiful ladies out, guys, because every one of us have different styles. We have different decor styles. Nobody has the same style. We're going to be decorating 7 spaces in our homes in 7 days straight up. And that's not all. Look, we are giving away $200, okay? $200. Okay, let me use my African accent. $200. $200. Okay, dollars. That's what we're giving out. $200 because why not? Because you deserve it. And we're gonna put the instructions down below. You just need to follow us. Make sure you're subscribed to us, to all 4 of us. Make sure that you are engaging in our videos for all 7 days, and make sure that you comment done when you're done subscribing. And if you've been an old subscriber, still go ahead and comment done if you want to enter this giveaway. And on the last day, which is the 7th day of the challenge, guess what? That's the day you're going to tell us your favorite space. Like, out of all the 7 videos, you're going to tell us what your favorite space is. So I hope you guys are going to love this because why not? So I'm in my front porch, and day 1 I'm going to be showing you guys what I did to this space. Please, I hope you're going to enjoy it. Make sure right after this video you check the other 3 ladies out and come back, tell me what you think about them, tell them I sent you. So if you want to see what we have in store for this first day of our challenge, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is what my front porch looked like. Actually, this was already looking a lot better because the guys had already started working. They were kind of trimming the trees, the bushes, and just to make it look pretty. I was not filming the whole process because I was working, and I was coming out every now and then to just film what they were doing, just take snippets. But yeah, they were just helping me create that pave way, or that pathway, just make it look clean and nice. I'm not planting any more flowers yet. I know I have plans to do that, but for now, no. At this point, he was trying to put the weed preventer. So that's what it's like, a weed preventer to prevent weeds from growing again. It was very horrible here. It was horrible. I'm glad you guys are seeing it when it looks actually better. But yeah, and now he's adding the lights just to create, to make it look more beautiful, and at night to have lights such that I don't have to spend money all the time to pay for electricity when we can have solar lights. How about that? Okay guys, so right now I'm just preparing this little flower pot to put these artificial flowers. You guys know that I use artificial flowers on my porch, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I'm gonna add some white stones. So just keep watching and enjoying as I do this.
Think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the 2 of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under street lights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the sun.
So for my dusty and dirty front porch, this is what we have. And just like we did in the backyard, I am going to pressure wash this area just to give it a nice and clean wash. Just give it a shower. How about that? And If you've watched up to this point, I just want to say thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. On this channel, we don't take life too seriously. Life is too short. Always smile. Keep a happy face. Always. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you. I love you. I appreciate you so much for always supporting your girl. And if you've watched up to this point, you know the usual, right? Please comment front porch down in the comment section. I would love to see it. Leave me a very beautiful comment. Tell me something nice. Tell me something I'll be excited to see. Thank you so much for your constant support. And I really do appreciate you all. Please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am still doing the pressure washing. Can you guys tell me how much you enjoy pressure washing, how satisfying this is? Because I actually like how satisfying pressure washing is, how you just go from something looking dusty to looking all clean and nice. I really like it, and I just wanted to take this time to remind you guys that this video is in collaboration with 3 beautiful souls. Please do well to check them out right after watching this video. They are also decorating their front porch and you're going to love every bit of it. Remember, each one of us have different styles and you're going to learn something from any one of us. So if you don't learn something from me, remember you might learn something from Gladys, Miriam, or Cindy. So please do well to check them out, okay? Thank you guys so much and keep on watching.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So this is what the front porch looks like so far. How do you guys like it? You tell me what you think about this. I really like it. Everything on the front porch is artificial, but everything in the little flower beds are natural. We have a sprinkler system that just waters it every week for us. We don't do much watering. That's why I'm a little skeptical about getting more flowers, because I don't know that I'll be able to maintain them. And when I'm getting flowers, I always want to get plants or flowers that are gonna last and are low maintenance, because your girl doesn't have time to maintain outdoor life. So I try, but I'm not perfect. I am nothing near good.
Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for.
This wreath was gotten from Ross a few years back, and this is the only wreath I put on my door year round, and I change it only during Christmas season. The topiaries were gotten from at home.
Be free with me. Be free. Be free.
So I put these flowers together. I put this collection together in our last front porch makeover. If you've not seen that video, I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. Please do well to check it out. And I got these flower pots from Ross as well. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in our video tomorrow. Please do not hesitate to check the very beautiful ladies I'm collaborating with, and remember, this is a $200 giveaway. I'll see you guys in our video tomorrow. Bye.